In this quick video, I'll show you on how you can do Acer product registration for warranty claim. First things first, you want to head over to the Acer official website. Just search for Acer warranty registration on your Google Chrome or any browser you wish to use. Of course, you can do this from your phone, computer, and more. The first thing that we are prompted to do is to sign in our account. Now, if you don't have an account on Acer, you can just use Microsoft, Google, Facebook, and more. After logging in or creating your own account, once again, you will be taken to the official website, which is going to be warranty.acer.com. From here, let's say that I have purchased a desktop from Acer, so I'll just click on the desktop options right here. And then you have to fill up information from your product and some personal information like full name, email address, contact number, your own address, company, and a digital copy of valid IV. From there, you then have to enter the desktop serial number. You can simply just search for it on Google if you cannot find it on your system. Let's say that I've purchased the Acer Nitro 5 laptop. I'll just search for serial number right here. And then we have our serial number, which is going to be S-N. We also have SNID right here, which is really important because you have to enter it right here. With that, we also have the desktop box serial number, a digital copy of original receipt, the purchase store, the purchase location, and more. From there, just click on submit, and if you have entered the right information correct, you can just click on the submit and you will get approved. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.